That's why the air cooler are always alert. First, oh, smell first. Sister first. This one, LQ. What's first? First thing. Ako sa ito. Dito ka. Dito. Upward.
Oh, क्या वाले? Under line.
Upward. This is upward. Yeah, you're afraid, huh? You're afraid. Upward. Where have you been, upward?
This too much dancing.
Too much dancing, upward, na. Too much dancing. Hey, don't bite.
This guy order no. When his body, yes, you done like this.
This ice now, okay?
This one we can repair it.
Very bad. Because this ice now, biting before this head. Yeah. Popcorn eye damage. Not good.
This part, it will take time to like.
Pony! Where are you going, Pony? This is the name, Pony. Pony number 1. But the eye damage because biting another one, the bad horse. But this is the good horse. Pony. Yeah, eating there in the chair. See? Competition. More. Now again. Yeah. See guys, the eyes damage. Oh, Pony. I'm sorry, Pony. I cannot help you. I'm not a doctor. Pony, your daddy. Finish working. You hit the skate of the... Oh, is there a blind coming? Bro, is your car? That's your car? Your car? Ah, but maybe going there, yeah? Ah. Yeah. Where's the horse? Running? Ah? Ah, paddock. Ah, yeah. Only running? This is stable area guys. Mga parts. Wala dito yung mga horse. Doon lang sa ibang lugar. Kumakain. Ah, nandito guys. Mga parts, puntahan natin. Tahan natin yung horse. Titingnan natin yung mga horse guys. Ito yung horse. Oh. Horse number 1. Another area. Very good. UAE Sardinas Island mga parts. Nandito tayo dahil nag-ayos tayo ng water cooler. Dahil sa mga kabayo, nasisira yung air cooler, water cooler, yung mga Hilux, mga parts, dami. Parang rat, mga ilaga. Kaya mga parts, yung mga horse, dito sa stable, sa Sardinas Island. Kumakain at uminom ng tubig. Magagandang tingnan. Punta natin sa ibang area. Hunting area to. Doon kumakain ng natural na halaman. Ngayon patuloy na labas guys dahil mainit din na maaga, hapon na sila lalabas, lumalabas. Okay mga parts, punta tayo dahil uuwi na tayo. Then ano ng oras ngayon? Oras ngayon dito is 5:36 already. Ito lang isa, iniwalay. Yes, happy. Coming. I'm looking for the horse. Saan natin yung kasama ko guys. Right. Dahil pauwi na kami. Ha? No? Dahil, ay so. Eating the grass. Eating grass. Sabi mo. Eating up. Ipo, already, basta ano ba? Eating for the bird balcony.